Hey there, how you doing? Thank you very much for opening the video. My name is Lucas, and I put this little video together for you guys of three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start bidding Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. These guys, when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, show up at the very first of the results on Google right here and right here, and you guys could be there and bid them with no problem by implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I make this video for you. And this is simple. It's because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business. I didn't really have time to learn how to use the internet, bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's a professional or an expert and who's not since you don't have the experience. So, I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free. So they can have all this information. And a lot of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves. But some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do it for passion. And if you like what you see, just and you want me to help you, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do so. But that said, let's jump to the video. I want to tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website at the very top. And that would be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is basically everything that you see on your front page, okay? All the text, all the pictures, and all how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. I like that you already have a pretty good amount of content and a really good quality pictures. So when I put it on the word counter right here, I see that you have already 1600 words, which is really good. Google usually likes to see about 2000 words of content on the websites that they rank at the very top. As you see here, for example, Lars Remodel has a lot of content and a lot of pictures as well. And when you paste it here, they have about 1500 words. So on that aspect, you have more content than them. What is the difference though? Their content has a lot of keywords and your content doesn't. So that is something that you need to make sure you have. A keyword is basically the terms that people are looking up on Google in order for the services that you're providing. So make a research on whose terms are people looking up the most, like San Diego Kitchen Remodel, remodeling companies in San Diego, etc., etc. Make sure the ones that they're looking up the most and drop in several times within those 2000 words of content. That way, when somebody look it up, Google will be able to find your website and show it to them. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website that puts a link that when somebody clicks in it, it takes you back over here to your website. And that works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites giving you vouching for you and giving you backlinks. So that means you can get a backlink for any website, but not all backlinks are as powerful as you may think. Some backlinks, like for example, from a website that talks about shoes or about food, it'll give you a backlink, but it's not as strong as if another remodeling company or another construction company gives you a backlink. Google wants to see other companies within the same niche vouching for you. Okay, so you always want to go after those kind of backlinks. So that way, with less backlinks and less work, you'll be able to rank higher, and Google will give you way more power. So to check backlinks, you can use a tool like Ahrefs. Okay, here I can see that you have already. Here you see when I put your homepage, I can see that you have 28 referring domains already. This is really good. But you need to, this means that you have 28 websites out there that somewhere in the website there is a link to your site. And you see your competition, they have larger model 74, and Miramar Kitchen about 38. So these guys don't even have much backlinks on referring domains, but they're really strong. So what you should do to start beating them is go in here and as simple as copy them. Every single one of these, go on that page, make an account, and drop a link to your website on your profile. Sometimes you need to email the owner of the website and they'll do it for you. But that's the easiest way and fastest. Also, once you're done copying them, make sure you add some extra ones so that way you'll be sure that you beat them. So now with the 2000 words and the backlinks, you'll be ranking up here in no time. And the third thing I want to tell you about is citations. It's how you get over here. And the good thing is that this is completely free. To get here, you just need more citations than your competitors. And for that, you basically need to list your business information, which is what a citation is, in several directories throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, and Angie's List and Yelp are some of them. Okay, it's thousands out there. So you just check how many citations your main competitors have, and you copy them, and then add some like 100 more. All right. I would go at least with 100 more. Let's say they have 150. Me personally, I would put like 300. That way, when they find out that you outrank them and they try to build more citations to recover that first spot, you start doing the same thing. So you make really hard for them to ever take that first spot from you. So that's it. Let's make a little recap. 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. You already have a lot of content and a very good-looking website. So just make sure you target those keywords right. Then build a strong, healthy backlink profile, which is really important. And you can start doing it by just copying your competition and just adding some extra ones. And then the citations. Make sure you copy all the citations that they have and you add at least another 100. With all that, you'll be ranking out there in no time and getting all that extra business and calls that comes with it. So if you're interested in doing this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be getting all that extra business. And if you like the video and everything that I told you, and you want to do it yourself, please feel free to get all this education for free and put it in action. But if you want me to help you, just give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you very much for watching. And if you can give me a little feedback, it'll be much appreciated. Have a good day.